Project 4, Disco Strobe Light. Parts required. Arduino board, breadboard, jumper wires, 2 blue LEDs, 2 red LEDs, 50k ohm potentiometer, 4 220 ohm resistors. How it works. Turning the potentiometer up or down changes the speed of the flashing lights, creating a strobe effect. You can use red and blue LEDs for a flashing police light effect. Connect the LEDs of the same color to the same Arduino pin so they'll always light together. If you build a casing to house your LEDs, you'll have your own mobile strobe unit. You can add up to 10 LEDs. Just update the sketch to include your output pins and the new number of LEDs. The build. 1. Place your LEDs into the breadboard with the short, negative legs in the GND rail, and then connect this rail to Arduino GND. 2. Insert the resistors into the board, connecting them to the longer, positive legs of the LEDs. Use jumper wires to connect the 2 red LEDs together and the 2 blue LEDs together via the resistors, as shown in figure 4.2. This allows the LEDs of the same color to be controlled by a single pin. 3. Connect the red LEDs to Arduino pin 12 and the blue LEDs to Arduino pin 11. 4. Place the potentiometer in the breadboard and connect the center pin to Arduino A0, the left pin to GND, and the right pin to +5V. The build. 5. Confirm that your setup matches that of figure in the left, and then upload the code in the sketch. The sketch. The sketch works by setting the analog signal from the potentiometer to the Arduino as an input and the pins connected to the LEDs as outputs. The Arduino reads the analog input from the potentiometer and uses this value as the delay value, the amount of time that passes before the LEDs change state, either on or off. This means that the LEDs are on and off for the duration of the potentiometer value, so changing this value alters the speed of the flashing. The sketch cycles through the LEDs to produce a strobe effect. The output. Thank you.